Argentina's President Alberto Fernandez has said in an interview that Argentina must devote its resources to more pressing matters than the purchase of military aircraft, and that the country would not make any immediate military aircraft purchases. Surprisingly, the president made his remarks as the Ministry of Defense was starting the process of pooling offers following the various evaluations conducted by the Argentine Air Force. This announcement has now put a full stop to a fighter jet tender, and several Argentine analysts have said that the fighter acquisition has been simply cancelled, and several other modernization programs of Argentine Army will also be cancelled. Military experts have said that amid the delay in Project 75I, Indian Navy should go ahead with the offer to build 3 more Scorpene-class submarines as an extension of the ongoing Project 75, as it would be a quick and good opportunity to help utilize the manpower and investments made in the project for the last 15 years. More than 43 other companies will have nothing to do for submarine industry after supplying equipments for the 6th Scorpene-class submarine, and not using them will be a huge waste of investment. The chairman of Indian firm Data Patterns has said that the company has received orders to build 2 deep space surveillance radars from the DRDO worth 363 crore rupees. These 2 deep space surveillance radars will be a downscaled version that will have 3,000 kilometers range and will be able to detect and protect the country's space from any artillery rockets or missiles. The data can be passed to the fire control radar that can intercept the aerial threat with surface-to-air missiles. The final system will be 20 times larger and will cost a few thousand crores, that can detect an object the size of a football at 36,000 kilometers range. Work has started on the development of a tube-launched collapsible wing electric-propelled loitering weapon that will have a 30 kg multi-purpose warhead, which will be part of the future weapons package of the Prachand light combat helicopter that will give it a capability to hit hardened targets beyond 35 kilometers. There is also a plan to develop a special beehive launcher for air-launched loitering munition that will be used on the attack helicopter, that is easy to launch and easy to reload after completion of the previous mission. Indian Army might evaluate the Hermes 450 medium-range tactical UAV that is manufactured in India by Adani Defence in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems for the export market. Adani Defence has offered both Hermes 450 and Hermes 900, while the Indian Army has requested information from the company on Hermes 450, which has a service ceiling of 18,000 feet and an endurance of 17 hours. A UP government delegation visited American aircraft manufacturer Sikorsky's main plant in the United States, during which they invited Sikorsky to hold a conference for manufacturers in India and to source equipment from the UP Defense Corridor. The Tata Group is in talks with Lockheed Martin for manufacturing the Sikorsky S-76 helicopter in India, which is also competing in the 123 Naval Multi-Role Helicopters program of the Indian Navy. The Indian Army is procuring 225 Gen 3 cooled thermal imaging sights for its Konkurs ATGM launchers. The sights must weigh less than 8 kilograms and should be capable to detect a tank-sized target at a minimum of 5.5 kilometers. The selected vendor must deliver it within 12 months from order placement, and the contract would also have an option clause for 50% more units.
Omar dropped it.